Further update on the yesterday's terror-related case. We have formed special teams to investigate this case in all the angles. Yesterday we have produced all the arrested 5 accused before the magistrate, and we have taken them for 7 days custody. During custodial questioning, one of the accused revealed about suspicious packet kept in his house. In this connection, the investigating officer and the team, along with EDDS and FSL experts, they went to the place and they have successfully recovered 4 live hand grenades from one of the accused. The investigation is being continued.
Sir, when have this person got these grenades and who has delivered this and what made they are, sir?
We are having preliminary information regarding who has delivered and when it was delivered, but we need to establish beyond doubt. So we are investigating further about the role of other persons and also when it was delivered and for which purpose we have collected these samples. Additional details regarding this can't be shared at this junction because the case is under investigation.
Sir, was the accused aware that...
Can you confirm at this point after the investigation which module were they connected to, and is it a terror module? Can we brand them as terrorists at this point?
No, it's too early to comment. I don't like to comment. What I said, we are trying to keep you updated regarding the developments in the investigation. As of today, we have recovered 4 hand grenades from one of the.
Sir, was the accused aware that...
chemical powder was found, sir? Any chemical powder was
That is
found?
wrong information.
Sir, was the accused aware that it was a grenade or some sort of explosive initially?
See, he was in touch with one of the accused. We think that he was aware of some parcel.